everybody, welcome back to our tutorial. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to add audio on CapCut. So let's get started. So the first thing that you gotta do is go and open your CapCut, then tap on new project and select any one of the videos where you would want to add audio for. There are various ways for adding audio in CapCut. Here, by tapping on the mic-like icon which says voice over, you can even give your own voice over on your video or extract the audio from any other videos in your gallery. This can be done by tapping on extract, which is present right aside of the voiceover icon. You can even add sounds from TikToks, and that's all. These are the ways to add audios from different sources to your CapCut video. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below.